If I told you there's a place on Facebook where over 1 billion people go every month specifically to shop, would you believe that most small businesses still aren't using it? The place is Facebook Marketplace. And here's the crazy part. Unlike regular Facebook ads where you're interrupting people as they scroll, Marketplace is filled with buyers already searching for your products and services, which means higher intent, lower costs, and more sales. So today I'm going to show you step-by-step how to sell on Facebook Marketplace the right way. We're going to cover what you can and cannot sell, when to use free listings versus marketplace ads, and how to turn clicks into real customers with the right funnel. And in case you don't know, I'm Brandy with Life Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. If you're interested in having us handle all of your marketing for you so that we can focus on growing your business while you run it, fill out our contact form linked below for a free quote and proposal. Otherwise, for everybody looking to tackle this themselves, let's get into it. So to start off, what is Facebook Marketplace? Marketplace is Facebook's built-in buy and sell hub. It launched in 2016 as a local resale platform, think like Craigslist, and today it's grown into a nationwide marketplace where both individuals and businesses sell everything from furniture to knickknacks to vehicles to products. So what's the opportunity for small businesses? You're meeting buyers when they're in the shopping mode, not just browsing. That's why conversion rates on Marketplace can be higher than traditional Facebook ads. So let's talk about what you can and cannot sell. Here's what you need to know. Allowed things that you can sell include retail products, new or used, refurbished items, vehicles, rentals, and event tickets. What's not allowed includes services like house cleaning, coaching and consulting, medical or healthcare products, restricted items like alcohol, adult products, or weapons. Now, if you are service-based, don't worry, I'm going to show you a workaround in a second, so just stay with me. But this is the short list of what can and cannot be sold organically as a regular listing on Marketplace. Now, if what you're selling does abide by those guidelines, listing is simple. Go to facebook.com/marketplace or just tap the marketplace icon, click create new listing, choose your listing type like an item, vehicle, or rental, and fill in the details, and boom, you're done. And here's what to focus on: great photos and videos. Bright, high quality creatives sell, and your title should be specific. Refurbished iPhone 13 with case beats used iPhone. And your description should include the condition of the item, details, and a few keywords so that buyers can find you in a search. For listing tags, use at least 5 relevant ones to expand your reach. And for delivery, offer both shipping and local pickup when possible to maximize buyers. And pro tip here, you can also post your listing into local buy and sell groups to get even more visibility. Now, the reason this is a great tool for businesses is because Marketplace doesn't just show products randomly. It uses AI to show buyers items similar to what they've searched for or clicked on, and suggests listings that look visually similar. So what this means for you, you can research competitors to see what's already selling, optimize your listings with the right keywords, tags, and categories, and then mirror what's working so your products show up alongside popular ones. And this is a great low-risk option for brick and mortar stores that don't have their e-commerce website up and running yet. Or like in the iPhone example, let's say you're a business that buys and sells used iPhones. Selling the refurbished ones is a great example of how to leverage Marketplace. Now, organic listings are great, but they do have limits. If you sell services or just want more reach, Marketplace ads are going to be the answer, and here's how those work. You create a Facebook ad like normal, and at the ad set level, choose Marketplace as a placement. Your ad now shows up inside Marketplace blended with organic listings. Now, why does this matter? Because it taps into search intent. Facebook's algorithm is smart enough to read your ad image, your ad text, your ad URL, etc., and place your ad amongst searches that make sense. So for instance, if I type in dining table, the first 2 results here are organic listings of people just selling dining tables in my area. But then we see the Ashley brand with the word sponsored with some of their dining tables for sale. Clicking that will take me to their website to purchase. And as we scroll down, we see more regular listings mixed in with the sponsored ads. And honestly, other than the word sponsored being there, the ads mix in pretty seamlessly with the organic listings, which means you can get more traffic from people this way because the ads seem organic and they're not standing out like a sore thumb disrupting their search. For service-based businesses, this is your loophole. You cannot list lawn care services organically, but you can run a Marketplace ad promoting weekly lawn packages and link people straight to your site. Now, here's where most businesses drop the ball. They focus on getting clicks, but they don't have a plan of what happens after that. And clicks do not equal customers on their own. You need a funnel that acts as a a roadmap to get them from click to customer. So here's how to do it. For e-commerce owners, send buyers straight to the product page that they saw in your ad. Don't just dump them on your homepage. And for lead generation, use a high converting landing page built to capture info. Then follow up, because on average, it statistically takes 7 touch points before someone buys. That means that you want to set up email and text sequences, reminding them of your product or service, and abandoned cart follow-ups for e-commerce, educational or problem-solving emails for services, automated reminders for scheduled appointments. Set these up once and they work for you on autopilot for the rest of forever afterwards. So to recap, because I know that was a lot, Marketplace is Facebook's built-in shop with 1 billion plus users a month. You can sell products organically for free or use Marketplace ads for broader reach. Services cannot be listed organically, but ads do give you a smart workaround. And don't stop at the click. Build funnels and automations to turn Marketplace shoppers into actual customers for your business. Now, I would like to know what's the #1 product or service you'd love to sell on Marketplace this year. Drop it in the comments and I'll try to reply with my best tip to help you sell it faster.